Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this heart-shaped pillow. Now in this video I'm using fleece, but you can use whatever fabric you like. So let's get started. Now if you don't know how to draw your own heart-shaped pattern, I will give you a suggested heart pattern. Mine's going to be a 16-inch finished size. You will need 1/3 yard of 1/3 yard of any fabric of your choice. You'll also need Polyfill polyester stuffing, which you can get at Walmart stores and other craft stores. Now, here are some suggested fabrics. This is called Minky, M-I-N-K-Y. Super soft and comes in a variety of colors. I'm going to use this fleece. I just love this pink and white polka dot fabric. I got this at Walmart, but remember, not all Walmart stores have fabric. You can also get fabrics like this at Joann's or shop on the internet. There are many fabric stores in which you can have fabric shipped to you. I'm making a pillow size that has a finished size of 16 inches wide by 16 inches high. But I'm only going to draw half of the heart because we want to make sure both sides of the pillow are exactly the same. So first draw a rectangle that is 8.5 inches wide by 16.5 inches long. At one end of the pattern we're going to draw some curved lines, but before we do that I want you to put a few little marks. So measure from this corner down and put a mark 3 inches, and from this corner over this way put a little mark 3 inches. Then from this corner over put one that's 2.5 inches, and from this corner down 2 inches. Now I'm using a bowl that is about 7 or 7.5 inches in diameter. It's round, okay? And I'm going to place this bowl down and I'm going to push the bowl till the sides of the bowl touch the 3-inch mark here and here, and push it all the way there. Once you have it lined up, then draw a line, a curved line. Then at the other corner you're going to push the bowl up to where it hits the 2, excuse me, let me turn it a little bit, the 2 and the 2.5 inch mark. Once you have it lined up, then draw a line. Now from where the 3-inch mark here on the side, come down maybe 2 inches, maybe a little less, and begin to just freehand draw a little bit of a curve, okay? And then continue drawing a line all the way down to this lower corner. And then after you've drawn that line down to the lower corner, then on this side, right on here, fold line, because this is the side of the pattern that will go on your folded fabric edge. Take your fleece and fold it in half. So here's my raw edges here, and place your pattern on the fold right here. And with a pair of scissors or a rotary cutter, cut it out. And then cut another piece. So you need to have 2 hearts cut, one for the front and one for the back. Take both heart pieces and bring front sides together. And then place straight pins to hold the edges all the way around. On one side, you're going to leave an opening, and big enough for your hand to go through, because we will be putting in the polyester stuffing. Then you're going to stitch just a 1/4 inch seam all the way around. So start here, go back and forth a few times, stitch down to this lower corner. When you get a 1/4 inch away, leave your needle down, lift up your presser foot, turn your pillow and stitch down the next side. When you get to the point here, you'll stitch down here And when you get a 1/4 inch away this way, so from this indentation down in 1/4 inch, again, leave that needle down, lift up the presser foot, turn your pillow, and continue stitching until you get back here. Then again, do a few stitches back and forth. After you've done the stitching at the machine, right in here you're going to snip, but don't cut through the thread. This will make it easier when you turn it front side out. You'll have a nice sharp dip in there, and that's what you want. Then go ahead and do little snips around all of the curved areas. All of the curved areas. And then down here, trim a little bit of the fabric off at the point. Now, not too much, because you don't want to cut through your stitch line. Next step is to go ahead and reach inside your heart pillow and start pulling it front side out. Now you're ready to put the Polyfill in, and you can buy Polyfill fiber fill at Walmart stores, Joann's, Michael's Crafts, probably Hobby Lobby, any of those places. You can even get it on the internet. Now when you first start pulling it out of your bag, it's all clumped together. It's going to work out better for you if you break it apart like this into small pieces, okay? Because otherwise your pillow is going to be super lumpy. Then you can grab it, open it up, your opening, and begin putting it inside. Now, the first thing you want to do is work it towards the points down here. In your bag is a stick, and here it is. It's kind of a semi-pointed stick. Reach inside with that and poke it and push it into those areas that you need to. After you fill in your point, then fill in the curves and gradually fill and work your way towards your little exit area here. So the point, the two curves, then start on the far side and work your way out. After you've finished putting in the Polyfill stuffing, you need to close this opening. You're going to turn the raw edges in 1/4 inch and do a ladder stitch or slip stitch to close it up. I like using these quilter's clips to temporarily hold the opening closed while I do the stitching. So you'll need a needle and matching thread. After you've finished your ladder stitch, before you cut the thread, do a few little stitches in place. Then take your needle and insert it where that last stitch was at, right here. Then, in order to hide the end of the thread, I'm pushing the needle inside of the pillow and coming out anywhere. It doesn't matter where you pull it out at. Pull it through, and then take scissors and cut, and then once you move the pillow around a little bit, that thread end disappears, and then you're done. Well, here it is. It was really quick to make this project. By the time you draw your pattern, cut out your fabric, stitch it up, and stuff it, it only takes about an hour. Super easy project and a lot of fun to make. I hope you learned something new in this video tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to do other pillows, then check below your YouTube screen for the video links. Now make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!